Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this drawing hook. For that we need two paths, as you can see over here, this first curve and this second curve, and there is profiles over here like this circle and this cone like shape and this cross section over here 50. So we need to create 3-4 cross section, and we need two guide paths to make this hook. Okay, so let's get into the SolidWorks software where you can start. So I'm going to create a new part. Okay, we'll wait some time. Okay, now we will start sketching. So I'm taking the front plane. As we can see, as per the diagram, the center of it is from here, radius value of 120. Okay, we're gonna create this circle first. With reference of that, we are gonna create other circles and these lines, everything. Okay, so we're gonna start from this. So I'm taking a circle from the origin, the diameter up to 40. Then next I'm taking a center line for reference purpose like this. The distance will be, let me check, 162. Okay, that's fine. Now we can create a circle of that. Right now we are not going to create these two circles, 72 and 45. Actually we need the cross section of this part, which we can see over here, this cross section. This is a circle of diameter 50, so we're gonna make that one. Okay, for reference I'm just taking the circle diameter. Okay, right now there is a curve which is tangent over there, radius 65. We're gonna make it right over here. For that I'm taking the 3-point arc option. For that we need this first point, second point, and something like this. Okay, it's looking good. Now we're gonna tangent both of them. First arc, control, circle, make it tangent. First arc, this one over here also, make it tangent. Then last, the radius, which is 65, and we will trim the remainings. That's good. The next, this one, 97.5. As you can see, there is a reference line, thin line. On that the circle 50 is tangent over this. Okay, so we'll create the line first, then we'll make the circle. I'm creating a line like this. We will dimension it 97.5 like this. Okay, then we can create a circle over here randomly. I'm just dragging it over here. The diameter will be 50. Now we can make give the relation between them, which will be tangent, and let's see this one. We're gonna fix this. I'm making this one coincidence. Oh, sorry, horizontal with the origin. As you can see, this is our single line only. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Right now I'm extending these lines a little bit for our further reference. Right now, as you can see, there is a radius value of 97.5, which is tangent with the line and this arc. So we're gonna make it with the help of 3-point arc. Okay, so there is the first point, this is the second point, and somewhere here the radius will come. Okay, now escape. Then give the relation between them, which will be tangent, this one also. Then you can give the radius value, which will be 97.5. Okay, this part is over. Now we can go for this small radius, which is radius 40. The reference is given over here, which is 120 distance from the origin. So we're gonna make it. I'm taking a center line for reference purpose only. Okay, like this, and we'll give the dimensioning, which is gonna be 120, like this. Right now we need an arc over here, so from 3-point arc we can make it first point over this line, then second point over this line, and so the radius will be something like this. Arc is formed. Now we can add the relation between them, this arc and this line tangent. Then this radius value is 40. Still is not constant, so we'll make it constant by giving this center and this origin relation of horizontal. Now we are right now we can trim the unnecessary lines which we don't want, like this area. Okay, now as you can see, this is fully defined right now. Right now these two circles, we don't need them right now. It will help us to give a reference at the upcoming circles. Okay, so we are gonna exit this one. This is our first case, this one. Okay, right now what are we gonna do? We'll put the profiles where the hook will be flow. So we need total 4 profiles. First one over here, which is gonna be this circular diameter of 50. Second one, this cone shape like this one, and third one, similar one, we're gonna make it over here, and the last one, this one, circle of diameter 50. So we have to make it individual drawings for the loft, so it will be easier for us. Okay, so we're gonna start it from the top, from here. So we need to create a plane over there. Quickly I'm creating a plane. We go to the features, reference geometry, and plane. So we need to select this extreme point and this arc, and your plane will be created. Make it okay, and right now we can sketch over there. See, now select circle from this center point like this, and give the diameter 50. As you can see, it's intersecting over there. Actually we want like that only. First sketch is done. Then for the second sketch, as you can see, top line is appropriate. We can create both one and a second and third sketch over there, but we need to make it individually. So I'm going to sketch over there. We need to create this profile. Okay, so I'm taking a line reference like this. And for reference purpose, I'm creating a center line. Okay, like this. Then we can apply a relation between these 3 lines symmetry, like this. Now we can create the first arc, and the second arc using 3-point arc like this. Right now what we can do, we can start dimensioning. This one will be 45 and this one will be 25. Okay, now we need the smaller one, so we will go to the leaders and we will change the arc condition to minimum for these two. Okay, so this value is 6 right now. Same, we will repeat the same process from here to the center, make it okay, go to leaders, change the arc condition to minimum and make it 8. Okay, so right now we can define the full length. Here also it's actually showing for the center, so we can go to leaders and change the arc condition to maximum, second also maximum, make it okay and change the distance which is 72 like this. Okay, now we can construct these two lines as you can see. Okay, now what do we have to do, we have to join from here, press control, this one, make it pierce, so it will be automatically tangent with the 3D surface and it will be fully defined. Our second sketch is done. Really good. The same process we're gonna follow, but in a different plane, which will be right plane. Make a sketch over there. We will create the same profile in this plane. Okay, quickly I'm showing this one. The same process we are gonna follow like the previous one, creating the feature, making a center line over here for reference, and we will make it symmetric, all of them. Right now we can create 3-point arc for second point and 3-point. Here also same. Okay, like this. Okay, now we can start dimensioning. This is going to be 45, this one will be 25. Now this distance, make it okay, make it minimum, this distance will be 8. This one also same, make it okay, go to leaders, change the arc condition to minimum and specify the distance which will be 6. Right now the total length, make it okay, we will change the conditions, arc conditions, make to maximum, change to maximum both sides and change the distance which will be 72. Okay, right now we can convert these two lines into constructions like this. Okay, and we just need this or this with PS and your sketch is done. Exit the sketch, and for the last we'll make it on the top plane. Just rotate it a little bit, take a circle over this center point, give the dimension of 50 like this. Okay, so right now we have created all the 4 profiles and first character. Right now we need this inner one, this path, second path. Quickly we're gonna do that. For that I'm going for select the front plane again, and I'm taking a reference from this arc, so I'm converting this one, convert entities, make it okay, then offset it up to 72 and make it reverse, make it okay. Right now we can convert this bigger one two constructions. Okay, like this. So we'll create some arcs using 3-point arcs. This one from here to this, and like this. See, like this. And then second one here to this one, this point, and something like this. It's not fully constant. We'll just see what happened. Actually this is moving, so what we can do, this point control this circle, make it PS, it will be defined. Same like this over here also, make it PS. Okay, still this is not defined, so we can place a radius. I'm taking it like 140. 240. Okay, this is also looking good. Okay, right now our all curves are ready, our two guide curves and 4 files. So we can go for features and we'll make it with lofted boss. We need to select profile first. This is our first profile, this is our second profile, third profile, and fourth profile. See, it's coming. Now the guide curves. This is our first guide curve. Again, this is our second guide curve. Look, this is maintaining the shape in a good manner. Make it okay, and yeah, 70% of your work is done. Right now we need to create this little portion over here, which will radius is defined over here, radius 10. So quickly we're gonna do that. For that I need the reference of sketch 1, which you can find over here. Right click and make it so. See, okay. For that, creating that radius 10 circle, we need a plane at this point. So we are going to make it a plane over there. Go for plane at this point with the reference of this. Okay, see, one plane is created. Make it okay. Now we can sketch over there. I'm creating a circle just above of it because it's not actually touching over there. Okay, so make like this, give the diameter of 20. It's still is not fully constant, so we're going to give relation, make it vertical. Look, it's fully defined right now. We can hide the plane. For loft we need another circle, so we can use the old one. So sketch 5 will be my first sketch. See, make it so. Now we can loft, go for loft profiles. This is the first profile and this is the second profile. See, now select the guide curve. See that smooth. For that, what we can do, we can go at this start and end condition, the constraints. We can change it to normal to face or tangent is to face. It will tangent with the surface, so it will give a smooth flow like this. No, this is looking fine. Now make it okay and look, this part is also done. Now we can hide the unnecessary lines, these circles, this circle also. Now what we'll do, go to insert, features, dome, select this face. Okay, maybe give a radius like 9. See, our every part is done. Right now only this circle hooks is remaining. For that we can create that on front plane. Okay, over here create a circle at this point, diameter of 72, like this. Make it extrude. You can change the condition to mid plane and the distance value will be 52, like this. Make it okay. Now we'll create the inner one, the 45. So on this face we can sketch circle at the center of diameter 45. Okay, like this. Now make it extruded cut through all, like this, and your is created. Now we can give some smooth fillet, make it look more smooth. For that I'm going for fillets. Maybe it is 5. That 4 corners. Okay, and you can select this edge also. Okay, looking fine. Make it okay and see. We can add chamfer also, make it smooth. I'm changing it to 1 and selecting this corners. Make it okay. Looking good. And our crane is completed. Just save it.